Today I have received this order from Amazon, which is acrylics and flower kit color and pearl color, which is I have purchased in 178 rupees and 125 rupees. I'm going to open it to see how these all colors are. These are so affordable in comparison to oil colors. Also, I received this Fevicryl mold it clay in it, which is free with this color, and it is worth rupees 25. You can see here a color palette is given. You can see the other color mix in it, and this is good. Now this is pearl color, which comes in 6 color variant. This is pearl black color, and the another one is going to be green. It is pearl green, a bit different from the normal green, and this one is a pink color, pink pearl, and this is pink pearl blue. This is white pearl color, which is seriously so beautiful, and this one is going to be yellow pearl color, which is seriously so bright. You can see the brightness here. Now this is all our come to the sunflower kit. I show you which primary colors include in this, and this is green, red, white, pink, blue, and orange. Here's a light green, black, brown, and yellow. I want a different shade of pink, but this is also okay. You can see another video which is based on pastel color unboxing video with price and review. You can watch it from here, and also you can find it in description. Thank you.